Kleene Jordan equation, unit number 4. Unit 4, first topic, Kleene Jordan equation. In previous classes we have studied about the Schrodinger equation. Schrodinger equation for Schrodinger equation for non-relativistic particle, for non-relativistic particle. आपण शिकलो होतो की श्रॉडिंजर इक्वेशन फॉर नॉन रिलेटिविस्टिक पार्टिकल इज इक्वल टू ई साय इज इक्वल टू और माइनस एच क्रॉस स्क्वायर बाय 2m डेल स्क्वायर और डेल स्क्वायर साय प्लस वी साय. ई साय मीन्स आई एच क्रॉस डेल बाय डेल टी साय ऑफ आर टी is equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square psi of rt plus v of psi of rt. This is Schrodinger equation for non-relativistic particle. Now we are going to see the Schrodinger equation for relativistic particle. Now here we replace E by, in that equation we replace E by IH cross del by del t and P by minus IH cross delta. So after replacing E and P by their energy operator and momentum operator, we'll get that equation. Okay, so corresponding relativistic energy equation. Now again one thing is I miss one thing, that energy equation in non-relativistic form, we kinetic energy plus potential energy. Then kinetic energy is p square upon 2m and potential energy is v. So after replacing E and P, simply after replacing E by its operator IH cross del by del t and P by its operator minus IH cross delta, will get the Schrodinger equation, Schrodinger non-relativistic equation. So now in relativistic form, we are going to see the relativistic Schrodinger equation. First of all, the energy equation in corresponding to relativistic energy, E square is P square C square M square C power 4. Then E, replace E by IH cross del by del t and P by its operator means minus IH cross delta. So replace IH cross del by del t mod whole square is equal to P square means minus IH cross delta whole square C square M square C power 4. Then minus IH cross delta t square, it will become minus H cross square delta square C square plus M square C power 4. Again minus H cross square del square by del t square is equal to minus H cross square del square C square plus M square C power 4. Now allowing the wave function psi of RT is operate on that equation. After that the equation becomes minus H cross square del square by del t square psi of RT is equal to minus H cross square C square del square psi of RT plus M square C power 4 psi of RT. This is the Kleene Jordan equation. Okay, this is Kleene Jordan equation or Schrodinger equation, Schrodinger's relativistic equation, Schrodinger's relativistic equation. Okay, we in quantum 1 we have seen we learned the Schrodinger non-relativistic equation, and in Klein-Jordan equation, by deriving Klein-Jordan equation, we will get the Schrodinger's relativistic equation. After that, take that term to left hand side. Minus h cross square del square by del t square psi of rt plus h cross square c. Now Schrodinger relativistic equation. Now if we take that term to left hand side, it will become del square psi of rt, which is equal to m square c power 4 psi of rt. Okay, so if we common out h cross square c square from this left hand side term, we will get del square psi of rt minus 1 by c square del square by del t square psi of rt, okay, equal to m square c power 4 psi of rt. Now if we can in more simplified manner, this equation can be written as del square by del t square psi of rt m square c square by h cross square psi of rt. Okay, that whole term is Alembert-Sheehan operator. Okay, operator which is denoted by that square. So psi of rt is equal to m square c square by h cross square psi of rt. This is the Klein-Jordan equation. Okay. Now we are going to see the interpretation of Klein-Jordan equation. Interpretation of Klein-Jordan equation. Interpretation of Klein-Jordan equation. Okay, first of all, we in that we have that equation. Now interpretation of Klein-Jordan equation. Interpretation of Klein-Jordan equation. We have Klein-Jordan equation as del square minus 1 by c square del square del t square psi of rt is equal to m square c square h square psi of rt. If we take the complex conjugate, we can simply write that equation first of all, right? Like del square psi of rt, okay, minus 1 by c square del square by del t square psi of rt, again equal to m square c square by h cross square psi of rt. If we take the complex conjugate of that equation number 1, we can see that is equation number 1. Okay, so if we take complex conjugate of that equation, we will get del square psi star of rt minus 1 by c square del square by del t square psi star of rt, m square c square h cross square psi star of rt. This is equation number 2. Multiplying equation number 1 with multiplying equation 1 with 3 multiplying equation number 1 with psi psi star of RT, and equation number 2, pre-multiplying equation number 2 with psi, then we'll get psi star of RT